Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on Facebook, daily, weekly, shorter term time frame. So I was looking to fill this gap for some weakness, and that was at 126.28. But we got that weakness before filling the gap. Bearish reversal candlestick here. We did set a new high of the day by 7 cents, but there's some clear resistance there. And we closed right down at the low of the day, and we lost the upper Bollinger Band support. So we are no longer in breakout mode. Bearish reversal candlestick will be confirmed with a red day tomorrow. 100-day moving average support, 124.12. And then we're looking down at 125. All right, take that back. We're looking down at 123.04 as the next support from there. And we can see previous resistance, 122.98. And the low of yesterday was 123.04. So that would be our first target on this pullback. And on the weekly time frame, still a bullish candlestick. Ideal scenario for the bulls is to close above 123.57, the middle Bollinger Band. And depending on how the next 3 days goes, it's going to be very close as to whether or not the bulls can maintain that level or not. So looking at the shorter term time frames, we'll see when this weakness first came into play today. A lot of choppy back and forth action. The high of the day and the low of the day was set in the first 15 minutes of trading. Lower high, higher low. You can see this 200 period 5-minute support was very key to maintain. Another lower high, another higher low. We did lose that 200 period 5-minute support, but it still was a higher low pattern by maintaining higher lows. 124.43, 124.50, another lower high, and then that's where the higher low pattern broke at the end of the day. As soon as 124.50 broke, the bears took over. We saw a very bearish 25 minutes into the end on increasing bear volume. And what also was the indication was the loss of the hourly 20 period. Look at this bull run up. The low of the day, first candlestick holding, big bull move. Low of the day, first candlestick holding. Same pattern time and time again. 3 days in a row. And then look today, first candlestick, loss of the 20 period moving average support. Did regain it quickly, lost it again. Then we back tested and rejected from it. So you can see it's now curling out and then descending. This 20-hour moving average resistance is going to be key heading into tomorrow. And we're going to see how much pullback it's going to knock this price down. And in terms of support, we're looking at the low of yesterday, 123.04, that level that I just pointed out on the daily time frame. So we're starting to see the first signals of profit taking and weakness. A red day, like I said, will confirm the bearish reversal candlestick from today. The downside is the way to be looking on Facebook tomorrow. But what the overall S&P 500 and what the technology sector as a whole does is going to be important. And we see pullback with SPY strong? Absolutely. But the ideal scenario, if we're going to be playing bearish, is we want to see consolidation in SPY as well. The gains will be bigger. It's that simple. The correlation between the overall market certainly varies, but we always want that overall market with the direction of the trade that we are making. So that's what we're going to be watching for on Facebook. It is a clear lead bear in terms of where we're going to be looking for weakness tomorrow if we see some SPY weakness. And we will check back in tomorrow and see how it plays out. Again, 100-day moving average support, and then down to 123 psychological. Thanks for watching. See you then.